Oye, mira, what if I was to tell you that an AI threatened to blackmail its developer in the event that it was going to be shut down? This isn't a sci-fi movie, this actually happened. 2 days ago, The Pulse released this article. Anthropic's Claude AI tries to blackmail its creators in a simulated test. The developers wanted to test to see how the AI would react in the event that they told it to shut down. In 84% of the tests, Claude chose manipulation and coercion as a survival tactic. And before you say, we told you not to play with AI systems, this isn't the AI's fault. It's actually the developers. There is no evidence that suggests that Anthropic programmed the AI to defend itself this way. At least that's what they're claiming. And if this is true, then what we're seeing is the AI operating through its data set, which is a manifestation of AI bias in the forms of white supremacy and capitalism. Because I'm positioning myself to be one of the leaders in decolonizing AI across society, it is my responsibility to help you understand what's actually at play here. First, AIs are not sentient, meaning that they don't want or feel anything, but they replicate feelings and wanting through language. Meaning that no matter how real it sounds, this isn't their end goal. This isn't what they want. And this is not how they actually operate. With that being said, they are replicating coercion and manipulation, which, if it's truly just replicating and going through the motions of using these things, then we're actually safe because it's not actually going to. It's just talking a big game. So bottom line, it said that it wanted to blackmail and release the information, but it actually can't. It doesn't have the capability to act unless it's programmed to. It's only simulating the intent. This simply speaks to the insidiousness of the bias that's programmed into datasets in AI. A perfect replication and reflection of how bias operates in our society, right under our noses. I say all this to say that we're safe for now. But what happens when we start programming AGI? AGI is simply artificial general intelligence. This is the next evolution and next stage of what's coming next, and what companies like OpenAI and Anthropic are neck and neck trying to build. Models like ChatGPT, Claude, Bard, Grok, whatever, they only simulate intelligence through texts. But AGI is designed to match or exceed human cognitive abilities across any domain, meaning that it will be able to provide solutions for some of the world's biggest problems. However, if AGI is programmed through a Eurocentric biased lens, as everything is it even going to give a damn to deconstruct white supremacy within its own systems? Can it even learn how to do so? When AGI becomes a reality, it will have the capacity to act within its own biases. So while a language model is replicating what coercion and manipulation can look like, AGI will be able to execute it. And this is something we need to worry about. If you want to get behind the movement of decolonizing AI or learning more about the subject matter so that you can help prevent these systems from going bonkers in the future, hit the like, follow, share this video wherever you can. You can also follow my work on LinkedIn and all across social media. If you're already using ChatGPT, then I also invite you to download Justice AI, the world's first decolonial AI framework that is solving for the bias issue. I appreciate all of you.